All right, guys, this is going to be a super short video, but I want to show you. I keep giggling. I can't help it. I'm going to show you something amazing. You need to watch this. Don't click off. You're going to laugh, especially if you're a realtor. And even if you're not a realtor and you happen to catch this because of the algorithms on YouTube, you need to check this out. Now, this is not a ChatGPT tutorial. There's lots of those. There's how to make millions of dollars with ChatGPT, create side hustles with ChatGPT, create books you can sell, all the bull crap that these creators are coming up with, right? That you're never going to do, right? So, but practical applications, this thing is just, it's stupid. It's incredible. Now, I will tell you that I asked it to do some things. I'll tell you what I did in a minute, and it's funny as heck. And I would never use this. I wanted to see how smart this thing was. So I've got a new listing that I took, and I'm in the process of finalizing everything in the MLS. And I took, this home was previously listed for sale back in 2018. So I actually took the description that agent used. Now, I am not a big proponent of ripping people off. If you're going to take the description, for God's sake, rewrite it, right? And in the past, it would take a lot of, like, sometimes it's just better to just write it yourself. Now, for those of you purists, don't hate me. Don't shout me down. It's not my fault. Technology is cray-cray right now. But today we can take a description. And if you haven't thought about doing this, you need to go and do this. Plop it into ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite the description. Make sure you say, please rewrite this MLS description so that a 15-year-old can understand it. Whatever, just put your keywords in there and this thing will take off. So I had ChatGPT rewrite the original description, and it was amazing. It was so distinct from the original, but yet still contained the essence of the original that you wouldn't be able to tell, right? So I woke up this morning and I'm like, okay, what else can we do? So now watch this. I said, rewrite this, and I pasted my description in the box for ChatGPT. I said, rewrite this description in the style of JRR Tolkien. Come see this breath. Okay, so check this out. I'm going to share my screen. Here we go. Look, deep within the rolling hills of the land of Highlands Reserves lies a grand abode fit for the most noble lords and ladies. As you make your way up the path, the splendor of the estate becomes increasingly clear. For the roof was recently rethatched in the late days of 2018. Guys, this is crazy. And the air conditioning unit has been serviced and blessed with new coils. Upon entering the dwelling, you are greeted by a grand dining hall with windows that allow the light of the sun to dance upon the walls, right? Proceeding through the foyer, you come upon the main hall where the hearth burns bright and the kitchen is located. The counters are made of the finest corian, and the appliances are of the latest fashion, stainless steel and shining. A bar stands ready to serve the needs of your guests, and a dining area is nearby. The floor, you know what? I might just use this description, right? So I'm not going to read the rest of it. It's just funny as heck. But then, okay, told you this wasn't going to be a long video, but I got to share with you. I'm like, okay, now rewrite the above description in the style of Donald Trump. And guys, watch this. Comment below and tell me which of these two I should use on the MLS. This is a bigly beautiful 5-bed, 3-bath home in the elite golf community of Highlands Reserve. I'll tell you, the care and upgrades put into this property are just tremendous. We're talking a new roof in 2018 and a recently serviced AC unit with new coils. When you walk in, you're going to see a formal dining room with huge windows and double doors. The kitchen is fantastic with good, right? Oh my gosh. I mean, guys, technology is almost making, I've said this a long time, if you're going to be a real estate agent, be careful that you don't become commoditized. Well, I think ChatGPT is commoditizing a lot of what we do as agents. Anyway, comment below and tell me, should I use the Donald Trump version or the Lord of the Rings? All right, guys, see you on the next video. Sorry, this wasn't very entertaining. Well, this was entertaining as heck, but it wasn't chock full of the best marketing ideas in the world. But guys, you got to start using ChatGPT. This stuff is cray-cray. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Ninja, I'm gone.